So yeah, what we have here today is a frame table, frame rack. It's kind of a combination of things. We couldn't really fit a full scale frame pooling machine in this area of the shop. One of the main reasons that we built this particular table to straighten this frame, and this is a MGA frame. This frame has been hit, frame rail on the passenger side. It's caved in pretty good and twisted the frame some, so the back end of the car looked to be in the better condition of the two. I squared the frame up on the back side to the table, and everything looks good there. Once that happened, I set the front end up higher in the air, or about level with the table. And you could see at that point, when you put the level on it, how crooked the car is or how twisted the frame is. This is where the car was hit. So I have the frame tied down close to where the hit was on the car. And on the opposite side, a pneumatic ram, 2 angle pieces welded on here, so we can apply pressure to this side of the frame rail and raise this once again. Now, once that's done, once we get it to about, well, square as we possibly get it, I will cut that damaged section out, which will relieve tension further. Then we'll bring the frame up past level, so when it relaxes, it will relax in the position it's supposed to be in. And then we'll replace that section of the frame rail. There's a few other little small things on this frame that need touched up real quick. A couple more patches, and then we have all the running gear to add back to the car. We'll paint this frame, put all the running gear back on it, and then the body will be up on here next, and we'll figure it out.